Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you a super simple and natural green tea anti-acne treatment. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, which are amazing for calming irritated skin, reducing redness, and controlling breakouts. Let's get started. First, brew a fresh cup of green tea. Use hot water and let the tea bag steep for a few minutes until the water turns a nice golden green color. A strong brew gives the best results for acne-prone skin. Next, let the tea cool down completely. Cool green tea feels so refreshing and is extra soothing for inflamed skin. Now, dip a cotton pad into the cool tea and gently wipe it across your face. Pay extra attention to oily spots, red areas, or any active breakouts. Green tea helps clean out pores and calm everything down. You can also pour the tea into a spray bottle for a refreshing face mist. It's perfect for a quick spritz throughout the day. Use this after cleansing once or twice a day. You should start seeing smoother, clearer skin soon. Thanks for watching. If you liked this, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural beauty tips.